Hi friend, name of the unit is writing skill, subunit report writing. Friend, we are going to write a report on Independence Day celebration. The question is, write a report of how your school celebrated Independence Day this year. You may use the points given below. Points: student gathered on the ground at 7:30 am. Arrival of the chief guest. Flag hosting at 8 am. Salutation to the national flag. National anthem. Speech by the chief guest. Tableau showing some events of our freedom struggle. Singing of the Vande Mataram. By using these points, you have to write a report on Independence Day celebration. Here I am giving one example of report writing, and by using this example you have to write another report writing in your notebook. Mamta High School, August 15. This year, Independence Day was celebrated with great enthusiasm in Mamta High School. All the students and teachers gathered on the school ground at 7:30 am. The chief guest, Miss Pradhan, mayor of the city, arrived and everyone cheered. She hosted the national flag at 8 am. Everyone stood to attention and saluted the national flag. Then the students sang the national anthem. A group of students sang some patriotic song. Miss Pradhan then addressed the gathering. She stressed the needs to improve the condition of women in society. She also pointed out several challenging careers open to women. This was followed by a tableau showing some events of the freedom struggle. The entire assembly then sang Vande Mataram. The school dispersed finally after the distribution of sweets. Friends, here are some new words and I am telling the meaning of new words in Marathi. Independence, स्वातंत्र्य. Enthusiasm म्हणजे उत्साह. Hosted म्हणजे उभारला. नॅशनल अँथम राष्ट्रगीत. पॅट्रियोटिक देशभक्तीपर. ॲड्रेस व्याख्यान दिले. स्ट्रेस भर दिला. इम्प्रूव सुधारणे. चॅलेंजिंग आव्हानात्मक. फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल स्वातंत्र्य लढा. टॅब्लो भूमिकाभिनय असलेले नाटक किंवा असा प्रवेश. डिस्पर्ड म्हणजे पांगले. नाउ यू हॅव टू राईट रिपोर्ट ऑन इंडिपेंडन्स डे सेलिब्रेशन.